Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Goa led by Margaon exploded with protest on Saturday as irate protesters gathered on the roads at Kolwa Circle outside Deputy Collector's office and Ravindra Bhavan, Margaon. The protest continued through the day. They are demanding the arrest of former RSS Chief Subhash Velinkar over his remarks made against St. Francis Xavier, which have hurt their religious sentiments. Earlier, people gathered outside the Margaon and Fatauda police stations demanding Velinkar's arrest. SP South Sunita Sawant assured people that Velinkar would be arrested. Police source disclosed that Velinkar was absconding for the past 2 days.
Continuing from their protests on Friday evening, protesters gathered at Margaon and Fatauda police stations on Saturday, demanding the arrest of former RSS chief Subhash Velinkar over his remarks against St. Francis Xavier. They have demanded that the police add sections 302, 298, 197 and 196 of BNS for spreading religious hatred, insult and disrespect and deliberate act of wounding religious sentiments which deserve imprisonment.
Now, we had yesterday's complaint, where more than 800, 900 people signed and had given a complaint. 5 sections were pointed out to the police. It is not that they don't know which are the sections applicable, but in spite of that, we have provided 5 sections, 192, 196, 197, 298 and 299. So these sections were provided in the complaint. But what we notice in the FIR that is registered, that only 299 is applied on him. And the punishment for this offence is imprisonment up to 1 year, a fine or both. So even 302 was applicable to him. So where did the police department fall short of this knowledge that all these sections are applicable to him?
काल रात पासून आम्ही मिडनाईट 3 वरांचे 4 वाजल्यापासून रावून आम्ही पोतून येयलाय. एक जस्ट बिकॉज आमकां अजून रजिस्टर फायल चालू ना केली ती एक सिंगल लाइन आम्ही एक उतर म्हणलो जाल्यार तुम आमकां कशें सोडटा आलोले. वो पहिलो क्वेश्चन टू द पुलिस एंड दिस गव्हर्नमेंट. एक उतर म्हणलो त्यांना असेंब्ली तुम्ही गाजवली आखी आमची नावांनी उलयला म्हणून जस्ट बरें उतर हिस्ट्रिकल उलयला त्या उतरा परमाण तुमगे आखी असेंब्ली गाजवली. इश्यूवर रेस केले आणि हेणे सगळे सोबे माजर व्हिडिओ व्हायरल केले आमच्या गोयच्या साहेबाच्या वर साकवाडे इगोजीच्या वर फादर बोलणे पासून ताका सेक्शन लागना एफआयआर रजिस्टर जायना ताका अरेस्ट कोण नाही. कसो रूल्स
आयज ते एक दीस मायज जालो आमचो लोक बोवाळ मारता. खंय पावलो सीएम प्रमोद सावंत जेन्ना आमचे बोलमॅक्सान कांयच वायट उलयना नासतना ताणें ताका अरेस्ट केलो. आयज खंय आसा सीएम, खंय आसा ताची उतरां. अजून पासून हे रॅबीट सुणे वेलिंकर हाका अटॅक कित्याक अरेस्ट कित्याक करूंक ना. हे कितें दाखोवन दिता कित्याक हे आमचो सरकार हो बीजेपीचो सरकार ही जी कम्युनिटी हा मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी हा ताचेर वयता थिंगा नाही वयता तांकां त्रास कांयच तांकां कितें करूंक दिना.
We are the taxpayers. You protect Goa, its peace and its harmony. That is the DNA of Goa. Everybody comes to stay in Goa. Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. सगळे गोंया कितें येता? Because we do not become petty-minded. We are educated. We are enlightened. We know what is good and bad. आणि हे बॅड राबिश आसा ते घेवन प्रमोद सावंत बसला ताका प्रोटेक्ट करपाक.
टॉपिक तुम कितें टॉपिक काडा सांगो कित्याक क्रिस्तांव लोक उगरा रावताय आमी एटलीस्ट मुस्लीम अशें उलयता. क्रिस्तांव लोक थोडे मनीस ताका तुमी दे आर टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ क्रिश्चियन पीपल बिकॉज दे आर वेरी पीसफुल पीपल. दे डोंट लाइक टू फाइट, दे डोंट लाइक टू आर्ग्यू. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल आर सिम्पली पिन पॉइंटिंग फॉर देम.
Early morning on Saturday, hundreds of people gathered outside the Margaon and Fatauda police station. They were not happy that only section 299 of BNS had been applied to Velinkar. They demanded that 4 more sections stated in their memorandum be added against him and demanded his immediate arrest.
सोडचे
Krishna! Ami sabre ek now! Hindu, Muslim, Krishna! Ami sabre ek now! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
The protest continued through the day in Margao as there was utmost outrage due to the unwarranted remarks of Subhash Velinkar. People burned posters of ministers and shouted slogans. Sadhgo SP Sunita Sawant assured the crowd that Velinkar would be arrested and that police teams had been sent in search of him. She also appealed to the people to maintain law and order and clear the roads. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
As people's protests explode all across the state against the unwarranted statement made by former RSS Goa chief Subhash Velinkar, ministers and ruling MLAs are now feeling the heat. At first, Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo remarked that Velinkar's DNA and head needs to be tested. Now, Minister Alexio Sequeira has said Velinkar's statement on DNA test is madness and he will be arrested. Surely MLA Delilah Lobo said people like Velinkar are psychic fanatics.
Protests demanding Subhash Velinkar's arrest on Saturday, a minister and a ruling MLA spoke up. Minister Alexio Sequeira said police teams are looking for him and he will be arrested. Delilah Lobo said these are absurd statements just to get into the limelight. She said the CM should take action.
The police have registered the case. I know for sure that the police are on the lookout for him. I know for sure that summons have been pasted even on his house because he has gone underground. I believe that I may make a statement on behalf of the government to say that the government will 100% act, he will 100% be arrested. I would like to assure the public that he will 100% be arrested. Just that, as of now, we do not know where he is hiding. The minute the police get to know where he is, the police will pick him up. This is the DNA of St. Francis Xavier is in the blood of all of Hindus, Catholics, Muslims, and others. And I think proof of that is when you go to Old Goa, when you see the crowd of people coming there, you find people coming from various religions, need not be only Catholics. That is because the faith one has in that saint. His DNA he wants to check. I believe something has triggered him, and that is why he has come out with such a stupid statement.
Is it a sinister plan
Of the government?
Not
No.
maybe an individual or so.
No, I don't think. I was told by somebody today I was told by somebody today that this was a deliberate attempt to divert from other issues. What was the issue last time when he came up with such a statement? That one required him to divert the attention.
आमचो सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर आमचो ही इज द सेंट गोंयचो साहेब म्हणटात आमी क्रिस्तांव तो हेच हिंदू आनी तो हेच सगळे धर्माचे लोक नोयना चालू जाता तेन्ना कितले क्रिस्तांवूच म्हणून आसना थंयसर हिंदू आसतात दुसरे धर्माचे लोकूय आसतात थंयसर आमचो गोंयच्या साहेबाचो उमाव घेवपाक आनी टू प्रे आनी ohले वेलिंगकर ohले यू नो दे आर कॉल्ड सच पीपल आर कॉल्ड फेनेटिक्स म्हणटा पळय ते वेन दे आर नोवेर जस्ट टू कम इन लायमलायट दे मेक सच स्टुपीड स्टेटमेंट्स तो आतां वेलिंगकर हुंयच ही वॉज नोवेर जस्ट टू कम इन लायमलायट दे वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट रिफ्ट बिटवीन रिलिजन्स.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Just when the anti-land conversion movement by thousands of Goans is heating up and there is no way to save face or get out of it, polarization has been used as a tool to divert attention. In this edition of Street Voices, we asked people if the communal statement made to hurt the sentiments of the people are just to divert the attention of the people from burning issues.
भायले लोक कितेंय जरी बरयता जाय तांकां ती इन्कम आमचे पळोवन तेंचे तळावता आनी तांकां दिसता की अशें कितें तरी आमकां जाय आसलें आज आमकां इतले एक मिलीक हें कशें तें कितें तरी लोक खंयसून लोक येता रे आनी आतां तुमी तांकां ओपन करून दवरतले जाल्यार कोट्यांनी पयसो मेळटले म्हूण तुमकां आनी कोट्यांनी तुमचें हें जातलें मरे तेन्ना तुजें कांय जावचें ना तुका कितें ते 300 करोड 400 करोडचे तुकाय बी कितें मेळोंक जाय म्हणून तूं हे फंड मारता कितें रे म्हणून तूं हे फंड मारता अशें म्हाका दिसून येता तुजें मरे तोंड बंद कर आनी आमकां गोंयांत पीस रावनी तुका खरी कापासता ते दोंगर पळय काबार केल्या प्रमोदान आनी विश्वजितान तेज्या फाटी खरा कापासता तूं लागतलो.
Today the tension in Goa is rising higher and higher, and to see that there can be a stop to this, but there's no elected head that is taking charge of what is happening in the state and is allowing it to happen. So it looks like this has been purposely instigated and it's not been calmed down because they want to hide the bigger fights that are happening. The land grabbing, the hill cuttings, the field fillings, property and all the other destruction that's happening in Goa, and people are coming down and fighting for it. To divert the people's mind, this is why they are using religion as a base to divide the people and just aggravate tension. Today you can see thousands of people coming down on ground level and fighting in Goa, which is very, very sad. And this is why the CM is not capable, Mr. Pramod Sawant is not capable to chair the CM's positioning because he is not taking active action.
गोंयची लास्ट 63 इयर्सांची हिस्ट्री तर पळयत जे आमचे गोंया आहले पळय ते माणकुले सोबीत गोंया आहले आनी जे आमचे नीज गोंयकार आहले चोय आयचो दीस लेगून हे आमचे नीज गोंयकार भाव भयणी पण रावतात जावं हिंदू क्रिस्तांव मुस्लीम तेंच्या मदें आयज जे आमी राखोंडार धाडलेले गोंयांक निवडून राखोंडार धाडलेले गोंया राखपाक म्हणून तेणे आमच्याच गोंयकारांच्या मदें एक फूट घालपाक विकाचे सोरोप भायर सोडलेल्या कडेन आहा. कित्याक लागून हे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जावन हा टोटल फेलियर आनी तेचेर धापणे घालपाक आयज ते कडेन आनी कांय उपाय ना म्हणून हे सोरपांक सोडल्या तेणे वीक घालपाक आनी हे वीक घालपाक तेचेच मनीस तेंचेच बरे मागपी तेंचेच पार्टयेचे हे मनीस पळय आहात ते आयज आमच्या नीज गोंयकारांच्या मदें वीक घालपाक.
आयज आमी पळयता गोंयान कशें लँड कन्वर्जन जालां आनी कितले लार्ज स्केलाचेर लँड कन्वर्जन जालां. 49 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन हेंच्यांनी कन्वर्ट केल्लेली आसा आनी हे कन्वर्जन जे मॅक्झिमम जाला ते मायग्रंट बिल्डर लॉबी खातीर जाला. हेंच्यांनी आमचे डोंगर सुद्दां सोडूंक ना कन्वर्ट करपाक. सो आयज सांकवाळे गांवांतले लोक प्रोटेस्ट करपाक उठलेले आहा. भुतानीचो प्रोजेक्ट जो येता डोंगराचेर तो येवपाक जायना म्हणून. चोपड्याचे लोक प्रोटेस्ट करपाक उठलेले आहा. थंयसर जो प्रोजेक्ट येता डोंगर नश्ट करपाक सोदतात. जो वयलो जो मोरजेचो डोंगर आहा तेंच्यांनी टोटल नश्ट करून कर्नाटकाच्या एका एक्टरान थंय प्रॉपर्टी घेतलेली आहा आनी कितलेशे बोरवेल मारलेले आसा. आयज TCPचेर पयर प्रोटेस्ट जालो. ते प्रोटेस्टान TCPचो जो एक्सटेंशन दिल्लो ऑफिसर आहा बाब राजेश नायक तेका कामावेलो काडा म्हणून लोकांनी डिमांड केलो. सो आयज गोंय लँड स्कॅमाचेर तापलेलें आसा आनी ह्या टायमाचेर जी स्टेटमेंटां येता की रिलिजियस स्टेटमेंटां येता एका धर्माचेर तेंच्या संताचेर टिका जी जाता कितें तेचो आमी निशेध करता. आनी हे टिका कित्याक जाता तर हे सगळे लोकांचे मायंड डायवर्ट करपाक आयज हे राजकारणी सगळे हे नाका जाल्ले हितूनी गुंतलेले आहा सारके आनी हे आमचे डोंगर रानां शेतां न्हंय काबार करपाक उठलेले आहा.
The question that is being posed is whether communal statements are made to sidetrack the burning issues. Of course, this is one of the angles, but it has got a 2-3-pronged agenda. Burning issues, yes. We have the highest rate of unemployment. You have the garbage problem. You have the destruction of our pristine land. You have the roads are in terrible, miserable condition. You cannot even ride a scooter or a vehicle. So when this type of communal statements are made, you saw how everybody has got diverted from everything. Second agenda is to polarize. Because this establishment, the present establishment, has nothing to stand on to go before the people. So the only thing is polarize on caste, religion, and try to secure votes. But even that, in the general elections, it has been proved that this polarization doesn't work.
In a joint operation, the Fisheries Department, the Coastal Police and local fishermen caught 2 huge Malpe trawlers fishing in Goan water. They were indulging in bull trawling and had 20 tons of fish on board. Goan fishermen demanded strict action against bull trawling and Malpe trawlers. They demanded that such joint operation should be done in future to nab those who destroy our coastal fishing resources.
2 Malpen trawlers which were caught in a joint operation were fishing within 10 nautical miles between Vasco Coast and Bat Island. They were part of a huge fleet of 50 trawlers fishing in Goan waters. The other trawlers got away. The 2 trawlers that were caught had 20 tons of fish.
आयज फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट, कोस्टल पुलीस आणि आमचे फिशरमॅन जॉईंट ऑपरेशन करून आयज 5 दर्यान भायर गेले आणि आयज हे इमिजिएट एक्शनान 2 बोटी मालपेचे आमी धरून हाडलेले आसा. आता आय वॉन्ट टू थँक दी ऑनरेबल फिशरीज मिनिस्टर Vilkad Handankar for immediate action, including the fisheries director and superintendent of police of fisheries for helping us for a joint operation. कित्याक मिनिस्टरान एक एनफोर्समेंट इंचार्जाक म्हणून एक superintendent of fisheries म्हणून दवरलेलो आणि under him fisheries director they had invited all of us to assist them and therefore today we have seen action. So आम्ही मागता गोंयच्या सरकाराक की अशे हे मालपे बोट आयज पळय सायज पयली जाल्यार आमची बोटीचो गोंयचो बोटीचो डबल सायज ही मालपेची बोट आहा. And these boats see they have almost 20 ton of fish. Bull trawling करतात, सगळे bull trawling gear आहा. It's a special bull trawling boat which is banned. So आम्ही सरकाराक पळयता की असले आनी स्ट्रिक्ट कायदो काडचो, एमेंड करचो फिशरीज एक्ट जाता तितलो स्ट्रॉंग हे कायदो करचो कितें बोट भायले बोटींग करपाक आनी हे एनफोर्समेंट जे आहा ते आमी चालू करपा जाय. परमनंट एनफोर्समेंट करपा जाय की एवरी तालुका ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन बोट ओनर्स would be a part of that wing which will assist the departments catch such illegal activities which are taking place inside the nautical world.
There were 4 major thefts in Goa in the last 10 days from 28th September to 4th October. On Friday night, 2 thieves entered the house of Nanda Bhandari at Dande, Savarde around 2 am by opening the roof tiles and stole gold ornaments worth Rs 8 lakh. However, they left some gold behind. The second theft occurred at a jewelry store Mapsa. A third theft took place at a house in Gogol Margaon. And in the fourth theft, 2 youth, including a college student, were arrested at Porvorim. They were using a car and committing a series thefts all over Goa.
हांव आसा धडे सावड्डे भागांक आनी ह्याच भागांक रावपी नंदा भंडारी हेगे घरांक काल राती 2 सुमार चोरी जाली. आतां ही चोरी पळयात, हे जे नळे आसा हे फोडून जाल्ले आसा. हो चोर जो आसा तो नळे काडून स्टूल दवरून खंय तरी घरांक एंट्री घेतली आसा. जेन्ना सकाळी ही फॅमिली उठली तेन्ना तेजो भुरगो जो आसा अनिश भंडारी तेका खंय तरी हे सगळें ओपन दिसलें आनी तेका ते ओपन दिसतकीर तेणे चेक करया म्हणली आपली जी आलमार आसा ते ही पळयात ही आलमार आसा ती चेक केली तेन्ना तेणी जे डब्यांक भरून ते थोडेशे भांगार आसा ते दवरले आसले ते गायब आसलेले. आनी मागीर तेणी बोवाळ जातकीर जी शेजारीण आसा ती भायर येता तिका खंय तरी डबो तो पडलेलो आसलो तो डबो तिका मेळटकीर तेणी येवन हेंकां सांगलें. मागीर तेणी असो पळयतकीर तितून थोडेशे भांगर उरलेले 1-2 अशे. मागीर तेणी हे सगळें पळयतकीर कुडचडे पोलीस आसा तांकां फोन केलो. कुडचडे पोलीस ताबडतोब येवन हांगा सगळें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केलें आनी आतां इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करतकीर जे फॅमिलीचे कांय मेंबर आसा तांकां पोलीस स्टेशनार येयल्ले आसा मुखाल्ली चवकशी करपा लागून. आनी हेच फॅमिलीच्या म्हणण्या प्रमाणे जे भांगर आसलेले 8 लाखाच्या वयर आसलेले ते खंय तरी चोरयेक गेल्ले आसा.
आमी म्हटल्यार हांव न्हिदिल्लो सकाळ फुडें हांव न्हिदिल्लो तेन्ना म्हाका म्हळाली आमचे जे कपडे म्हणटा ते फातर आसा भितर तेजेर म्हळाली खुर्ची आसा म्हणटकीर हांव उठलो बेगीन पळोवपा नळे फोडलेले गेलो पळयल्यार नळे फोडून खुर्ची दवरलेली. हांवें म्हटलें राव आलमार बेश्टी चेक करया म्हटलें आनी तांकां तेजी आयडिया कांय खबर ना. पप्पान तितून म्हटल्यार नळे हाडले घालपा लागून कित्याक माकोड बिकोड कोणी उडी मारता फोडटा आसतलें म्हणून. मागीर हांवें रोखडी आलमार चेक केली पळयल्यार एक डबो आमगे भांगराचो डबो जो आसता माज दवरता तो नाशिल्लो भितर. मागीर तो ना म्हणटे म्हाका आपल्याला डबो ना. मागीर बोबाळ केलो पुलिसाक फोन मारलो म्हाज्या कजनाक फोन मारलो परत आनी मागीर बोबाळ जातकीर आमकां थंय भायर डबो मेळ्ळो म्हणल्यार ती आमच्या शेजारीक मेळ्ळो. तिणें आमकां सांगलें की थंय तुमचो डबो आहा म्हणून. हांवें म्हटलें काडून घेवन यो मातसो. तिणें काडून हाडलो चेक केल्यार त्या डब्यांतलें सरपळी कोयनाची कांकणां आनी तोडो हे 3 म्हणल्यार टोटल इतलें भांगर ना जालें. उरलेलें तशें उडयलें परत उरलेलें तशें तेज्यानूय आशिल्लें तें थंय दवरलें तें आसा अजून तें पुलिसांनी व्हेलां आनी उरिल्लें तें खबर ना खंय आसा तें. हांवें म्हणिल्लें घरान चेक कर अजून घरान चेकूय बीन जावना.
कॅश बी आसलेले
कॅश बीन नाशिल्लें.
ओके तुमकां कोणाचे संशय बी आसा अशें कितें?
म्हाका संशय आसा त्या फॅमिलीचो मेंबर म्हणून कित्याक जे लॉक मोडून ना ताजें लॉक काडला चावी काडल्या आलमारीची परत त्याच जाग्यार दवरल्या आनी सारकी सिस्टमॅटीक केला आनी खंयची कसली कांयच ना इतलेंच.
There were 4 major thefts in Goa in the last 10 days from 23rd September to 4th October. Gold ornaments worth 8 lakhs were stolen from a house in Sawadde in the first theft. In the second theft, which took place on 23rd September 2024, 4 Rajasthani natives, including 2 minors, were involved in a jewellery theft in Mapsa, were nabbed at Sindhudurg. They stole gold and silver jewellery worth crores of rupees from Nasnodkar Jewellers in Mapsa Municipal Market. In the third theft on 3rd October, gold and valuables worth 3 lakh rupees were stolen from the Gogol house at Housing Board Colony, Margaon. Thieves effected entry into the house by breaking open the main door. In the fourth theft, also on 3rd October, police arrested 2 persons in Porvorim, including a first-year BCom student, who were involved in a series of thefts in North Goa by wearing a mask and using a car. Both were from South Goa.
A 76-year-old man jumped into a well and drowned. According to his family, he has been suffering health issues. The family members became suspicious on seeing his glasses, towel and slippers on the well. The incident occurred at Kakoda, Kurchere. The well is located behind the house of the deceased. Kurchere Fire Service and police fished out the body.
हांव आसा काकोड्या आनी काकोड्या हांगा रावपी अनिल कामत माड 76 वर्सांचो दादलो जो आसा तेणी खंय तरी बांय घोडी घेवन सुसायड केल्लो आसा. सुसायडाचें आजूनय कारण कळना, पूण जेचे फॅमिलीच्या थ्रू सांगपाक येता की ते खंय तरी तेंचे हेल्थ इश्यूज आसलेले आनी ते खंय तरी दोतोरा कडेन व्हरपा आसलेले, आयज व्हरपा आसलेले. सो अचानक तेणी अशें केलें. तशेंच हांगचे जे अग्निशामक दल आसा ते बांयक भितर कॅमेरा घालून तेणी पळयलो. कॅमेरा घालतकीर कळ्ळें की बॉडी आसा. मागीर आतां ती बॉडी जी आसा ती काडलेली आसा. तशेंच कुडचड्या वयले पोलीस जे आसात ते हांगा येयल्ले आसा आनी मुखाल्ले जे तपास आसा ते करतात. हेराल्ड TV खातीर गौरी सतरकर.
Mandre ex-Sarpanch Prashant Naik had assured that he would put pavers for the school from which he passed out. On Saturday, the pavers were inaugurated at the Mandre High School, Mandre. The pathway leading to the school and the surrounding was paved at the ex-Sarpanch's expenses. Panchayat member Prashant Naik, Panch Rajesh Mandrekar, school management, headmaster and staff were present.
खरेंच बरें दिसता की आयज माझे मित्र प्रशांत नायकान हेजे पेवर्स मांद्रे हायस्कुलाक घालून दिल्या बद्दल मी कौतुक करता तेचे आणि त्याची अशीच कामां आसात ती फुडें चालू रावनी बरी कामां.
मोठ्या अभिमानाची गोष्ट आसा आणि खरेंच एक आपुलकेन मांद्रे हायस्कूल म्हटल्यार एक आमच्या एक जिवार एक कांटो कसो. कारण ह्या स्कुलांसून आमी एक जे शिक्षण घेतलें आमचें हायस्कूल म्हणजे जे 5वी ते 10वी पर्यंत आमी हांगा शिक्षण घेतलें. आयज आमचे हांगासर टिचर्स आसात जे तेंच्यांनी आमकां जे एक शिक्षण दिलां. आयज खंय ना खंय आमी आयज गांवाचे हिता खातीर आमी वावरता किंवा समाजान जे कितें बरे गोश्टी आसात आयज आमचे गुरू कशे आनी तेंचें एक मार्गदर्शन घेवन आमी आयज फुडें सरल्या. म्हाज्या मनान एक दिसतालें की ह्या शिक्षण संस्थेन जेन्ना हांवें एक शिक्षण घेतलां एक कितें करचें कशें म्हणून. सो तेन्ना हांवें जेन्ना एक हांगा एंट्री केल्ली तेन्ना जशें ज्या पद्दतीन हांगा आसले म्हणजे भुरग्यांक बीन अडचण जाताली तेन्ना एक तेंचो एक विशय आसलो एक बरें एक सुशोभीत एक करून दिवचें म्हणून. सो तेन्ना हांवें एज अ म्हाजें स्कूल जेन्ना हांवें अभिमानान म्हणटा मांद्रे हायस्कूल हें आमचें स्कूल त्या पद्दतीन हांवें म्हाज्या एक स्वखर्चान म्हणजे म्हाज्या स्वर्गीय म्हाजे आजोबा भगवान म्हाळू नायक हांच्या स्मरणार्थ हांवें हे मांद्रे हायस्कूलचे जे सुशोभीकरण जे बाकीचे पेवर्स बीन घालपाचे ते काम हांवें तेका एक उतर दिल्लें. त्या पद्दतीन हांवें तें कंप्लीट केलां.
त्या वखदां मांद्रे शिक्षण संस्थेच्या वतीन आमचे माझी सरपंच जाल्ले आसा ते आमचे मित्र प्रशांत बाळा नायक यांचं सगळ्यात पयलीं हे आमचं काम करून दिल्याबद्दल मी अभिनंदन करतो. आणि संस्थेमार्फत मांद्रे शिक्षण संस्थेमार्फत जे काही तेंच्यांनी आमकां सांगलेले जे काही गोष्टी करून दिते म्हणटा लागीं सगळे त्यांनी पूर्ण केल्ले आसत. ते वखदां परत एकदा संस्थेच्या वतीन सगळे आमच्या मांद्रे शिक्षण संस्थेच्या वतीन आणि हायस्कूल मांद्रे हायस्कुलाच्या वतीन आम्ही त्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करतो.
Sporting Club Dawaldi defeated Chandor Club 4-2 at Don Bosco Oratory Ground, Fatorda in the GFA 3rd Division Salsette Zone League. The match played at Don Bosco Oratory Ground, Fatorda on Friday.
In the GFA 3rd Division Salsette Zone League, Sporting Club Dawaldi defeated Chandor Club 4-2. Paxton Gomes scored a brace, while Neil Miranda and Joe Gomes scored a goal each for Sporting Club Dawaldi. Shrokan Lamani and Sanyo DeCosta netted a goal each for Chandor Club.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.